Today's June 6th. It's been about 2 days I haven't been out here, so let's see what has changed. Some stevia seems to like its new home, so that's good. Mint, let's see. I don't see the sprout. Package tree. My herbs are looking good. I need to put this in a bigger pot. I've got some strawberries. Okay. Got another one. Two more. So the first of the strawberries for the season. Nice. This have hit me. All my leaves are gone. I have to move this plant or put my mesh up for them. Corn is getting nice and big. And the peppers. Yes, everything is growing really well. This bud looks nice. Very nice. Onions. Looking good. Let's pull up some of this weed. Let's pull up some of that. Okay. Yeah, onions looking good. Berry patch. The eggplants are good. Artichokes, good. All these eggplants. My beans are looking good in here. Why is that? The ones in there that I just put in there looking better. And the ones inside here looking good. Everything's looking good. Ooh, look at the kale. Nice. And a chamoy or Christophine.
Mommy?
Yes?
Mommy, tell me.
Huh?
Mommy? Mommy? I'm done.
Okay.
Mommy, come on, Mom.
So we got two different kales here. The red one and...
Mommy, come on me.
I'm coming. Just pulling up some of these little weeds. So yeah. Everything is okay. I'm gonna pull up those two tomatoes because I feel like they're gonna take over. Or maybe I'll just leave it. This is beans and yeah, I think I'll leave it. Okay. The grape. Oh wow. Okay. Bitter melon is looking good.
Hey, Mommy.
Zinnias, onions and potatoes.
Mommy, come out.
I'm coming.
Come out.
Chamomile.
Okay, yay.
I gotta pick them.
Thank you, Mommy.
Arugula, I'm going to roll
Oh,
these up
Mommy.
tomorrow.
Come.
Don't put it there. Don't put dirt in there, baby.
Mommy, find it.
Hmm?
Find it.
Maybe blow it.
Yeah.
Here.
Huh? Apple.
Oh, let's see. You want blueberry, baby? You can pick. Look.
Hmm?
But we gotta wash that because it looks like a little bird. This one looks like it's maybe not quite. This is not coming off. Maybe tomorrow we'll pick them. Oh wait, there's more.
Huh?
There's more.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, there's more.
Oh, that's strawberries.
But we have to wash it. Wait, it's not white. It's not quite ready yet. Wait, that one's green. That one's not ready yet.
You know.
Don't pick anymore. They're not ready yet. They're not ready yet. They're not ready yet. Wait, let me see. I think this one might be ready.
Come here.
They're not
Choose
ready.
me. Mommy, choose me.
Yes, baby. They're not ready yet, okay? We'll give them another day. We'll give them another day. Come, let's go. My first set of tomatoes. Wow.
Huh?
Flowers.
Flowers?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
Sweet potato. Bouncing back nice. All right, let's check out over here. Of course, the bears got. The bears got there.
Mommy, choose me. Mommy, that too.
Excuse you.
Yeah. Oh. Mom, what are flowers?
Yeah.
That's pretty.
It's pretty.
What are these? Oh, wow.
Wow.
That's amazing.
It's amazing.
Let me pick it.
No. My cucumbers. They got my cucumbers. Oh, these damn bears.
Huh? It's
They,
pretty. It's pretty. Let me
they bite off the tops.
Let's eat
of my
mine.
cucumber.
Let us try.
Sunflower here.
Mommy, here. What's you?
Thank you.
Ooh.
And the corn. So yeah, everything is looking really, really nice so far. No, don't touch the ground with it, baby. I wasn't out here for one day and everything done spoiled.
But India, Mommy.
Yeah, they're not ready yet though.
Huh?
They're not ready.
Aww.
Do I see? Does my eyes deceive me? Is that raspberries? Yo, dude, this patch. Don't touch it, baby. Gonna poke you. Oh my goodness. Let's pick these. What? We have raspberries.
Raspberries?
Ready.
Raspberries
Wow.
yummy.
Huh?
It's raspberry yummy. Oh, for what taste that? One more.
We gotta wash them first. Let's wash them.
What's this?
You have to wash them.
What's it?
Hmm?
What's
Which
that?
one you want to try?
This one.
That
This,
one?
yeah.
Okay, put it in the middle.
Huh?
Make sure it's, let me see, make sure it's.
Huh?
Okay, you can have it. Okay, eat it. Yummy. Look at my hydrangea. And of course, raspberry has found its way in between there. And this looks like a grapevine. Maybe like a wild
Eat
grape.
the mommy.
Okay.
Eat
You eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like a wild grape, I think. It's popping up. You don't like it? That's taking over. Yeah, this is like a wild grape. We'll see what becomes of it.